As one of the best full-size pickup trucks, the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 offers strong performance, modern technology, and high versatility. Below are its complete specifications, engine and performance. The Silverado 1500 comes with 4 engine options: 2.7 liters turbo max inline-4, 310 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 430 pounds-ft at 3,000 revolutions per minute, 8-speed automatic transmission, 5.3L Ecotec 3 V8-355 horsepower, 6.2L Ecotec 3 V8-420 horsepower, 3.0L Duramax Turbo Diesel i6, 305 horsepower at 3,750 revolutions per minute, 495 pounds-ft at 2,750 revolutions per minute. Capabilities: max towing capacity up to 13,300 lbs with the 3.0L Duramax diesel engine. Max payload capacity 1,870 2,280 pounds, depending on engine and configuration. Fuel efficiency: 2.7 liters turbo max, 18 mpg city, 21 mpg highway, 3.0L Duramax diesel, RWD, 23 mpg city, 33 mpg highway. For WD, 22 mpg city, 26 mpg highway. Dimensions and cargo: available in multiple cab and bed options. Regular cab, long bed 229.6 inches in length, 98.1 inch cargo box, 89.1 QFT cargo volume. Crew cab, short bed 230.7 inches in length, 69.9 inch cargo box, 60.9 QFT cargo volume. Interior and technology: infotainment display, 7-inch touchscreen WT, custom Trail Boss, 13.4-inch touchscreen with Google built-in higher trims. Connectivity: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort features: optional leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, safety and driver assistance. Equipped with Chevy Safety Assist, including lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation. Key features: Durabed with multi-flex tailgate, high-strength steel construction, 12 cargo tie-downs 500 pounds each, 6 tailgate configurations, including full-width step supports 375 pounds. The 2025 Silverado 1500 combines power, durability, and advanced technology, making it an ideal choice for heavy-duty work and everyday use.